Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome to this public lecture that will introduce you as a student, either graduate, master's, PhD in industry or researcher to the topic of field of artificial intelligence, AI in power system optimization. So this will attempt to ignite your interest and also make you aware to what is possible and what is prevailing within this field. My name is Dr. Enoch Murenga and I'll be with you. So this public lecture is divided into three parts. In the first part, I'll introduce the topic and talk about why we need optimization in power system. In the second part, I'll talk to you about artificial intelligence role, techniques, and application in power system optimization. In the last part, which is part 3, and also concluding part, I'll look at some of the challenges and future trends when it comes to artificial intelligence in power system optimization, and also make a conclusion. I hope you'll be able to stay with me and go through these phases so that you appreciate the topic of artificial intelligence in power system optimization. So see you in the three parts of this lecture, and thank you very much for now.